Get back to Oliver Sloup. He's with Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Oliver, thanks for sticking around. What do you think about the livestock? Anything to say there? Or if you want to go back to grains, you can do that too.
Well, we've got some bright spots in the livestock market, which has been a rare occurrence over the last several months. It's just been kind of a stick in the mud at the bottom end of the trading range, especially that live cattle market. It looked like we were going to break down on Tuesday. That August contract we tested and held 130, which is really the last line in the sand. To break and close below there could have been catastrophic, but we were able to hold it. And I think part of that weakness was probably on the back of end of the month trading and positioning. And now we're starting to rebound and see that market narrow the gap with the cash market. And I think if we get a strong close today near that 135 level in August, we can get a continuation towards a 100-day moving average at about 137. Now, as you mentioned, talking about the grain markets, and we will touch on the grain markets because that's correlated to feeders, right?
Yep.
So you're seeing a little bit of a delayed reaction in the feeder cattle market to the sell-off in corn we saw in the previous two sessions. Stay above 170. I think we can retest those April highs, 175. So up and up, I think we're looking pretty good.
Yeah, I mean, it was a little concerning at first because it didn't look like that feeder cattle market wanted to respond to that lower corn board a couple of days ago, I think it was. But boy, it's really making up for lost time right now, isn't it?
That's exactly right. I think it was Tuesday where we had that sharp sell-off in the corn market, and feeders finished the day making new lows for the move. So that was a big caution flag. But again, I think a lot of that was probably some end-of-the-month positioning. We're starting to see things settle out here, and we're off to a pretty darn good start to start the new month.
Yep, got rid of that traffic. That's good stuff. All right, thank you very much. That's Oliver Sloup from Blue Line Futures in Chicago. Thanks for all you've done. Your content's awesome. I'm bringing it back to Nashville so I can throw this one more time back to Suzanne.